Hello my happy family, greetings to you all. Once again, you are welcome back again to Joy Kitchen BCN. In today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this drip cake decoration. Lord guys, are you interested? Let's move on. Trim the middle. Once that is done, I'm going to do a little bit fillings for the spaces. You can also do that one with your cream. Guys, once that one is completed, I'm going to do the first layer of this cake, okay? So I'm going to do the first layer and I will allow it to dry. So once I am done, I'll put it aside. This is the font that I'm going to be working with. This is 2.5 kg. So half of it is sufficient for this particular cake. I will just go ahead, I will spread icing sugar on the surface. Knead the fondant, spread it so that I can easily work with it, just like what you are seeing now guys. Once I am satisfied, the next thing is for me to cover the cake, use hand to do some maintenance, bring it down. And once this one is achieved guys, I'll take up the excess because the excess is not really necessary. And I'll use my cake smoother to smooth the all over the cake. Once it's perfect, I'll take up the excess guys. I hope you are watching for yourself. You are just saying for yourself. This really needs just a little explanation. Keep watching. Guys, I am done with that. So the next thing guys, I'm going to drip the drip now. So you just do it gently. It will roll down on its own. Guys, can you see what I'm doing? So once you do it for the first time, and if you see that there are some that is half, that is not how you would desire it to be, you can go for the second time again to make it how you desire it to look like. But this is something you just have to do gently. It doesn't matter whether it takes your time or not, but the important thing is you achieve your goal. And it is something that is also easy to do. You can try it for the first time, or before trying it, or you can take a cup, you use it on it, try it on it, then before bringing it to your cake. So we'll go ahead and put the same at the tops of the cake and do some cleaning and maintenance on it. Then it's ready. To finish this cake guys, I will roll some fondant again to get my roses. And when you are trying to get your roses guys, it has different cake cutter, and depends of the roses you are desiring to achieve, that determine the kind of cake cutter you are going to be using. And we have a lot of it. Maybe on one of my video guys, I will be showing you different kinds of cake cutters or roses that you can use also. I think when you are buying it, that one also goes a long way for you. You guys, you can also let me to know the next video you are desiring to see, or the kind of video or the kind of thing that you think you are struggling over, okay? But when you are doing that, please feel free to come to the last video, almost the last video, or the recent video, okay, to let me know what you want. Sometimes I will go to the last video I'm having, but sometimes I might not see the comment on time because I would love to be visiting the new video more compared to the old one. So always let me know the one you desire. Always put your comments on the one you desire most at the last video, so that I can easily place my eyes on it. Guys, you love this video you are seeing, Please, if you like the video, just go ahead and subscribe. If today is your first time of coming to this humble family, please, 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 with all humbleness, I plead with you, help your sister, your girl, subscribe. And also help me to share this video in all your platforms. Turn the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. You will not be left out. Please, have you liked this video? My humble family, please don't watch this video without liking. Go ahead and like the video. Like the video, guys. Please like the video. Don't fail to also leave your comments below. Have you shared this video? Or are you waiting to finish it before you share? There are some of your friends that might have interest in learning from scratch like this, guys. Why not go ahead and share the video? Please, 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 with all humbleness, help me to share this video. Share this video in all your platforms. And don't forget to put like also. Thank you for always being there. And thank you for being a part of this humble family. May God bless you. Grant you your needs and your desire. Give you speed in all that you do. In the name of Jesus. Guys, thanks for watching once again. And see you soon again on my next video. Bye-bye.